According to psychology, there are 6 characteristics that end love faster than cheating. Lying. People trust you when you are honest often. They stop when you lie often. And you think cheating hurts most? No. Being ignored when you speak feels worse day after day. Fix it like this: tell the truth, own mistakes, share details, stop keeping score. Here's the part you'll hate. You must apologize without excuses, even when they blame you. Set boundaries kindly or resentment grows. Say what you need, early, clear, and firm. Do you know why this works? Respect builds when actions match words, every single time.